Guess who's back? Back again. Hunter's back. Tell a friend. This is my ear. Okay. Hi, hello, and welcome. If you don't know, my name is Hunter. If you do know, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, like over a month a minute since I've posted last. What is going on? Are we okay? Today is Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo.
The 5th of May. What is it? Mexican.
Something about the French church.
Spanish. That is not correct.
You're doing this really.
There's something you do. Okay. It's pretty.
This is what you do on video clip.
Look how pretty her teeth are though. Anyways, what is it? Oh, the Mexican is Mexico is celebrating their independence from France, I think.
French.
I'm gonna Google that. I'm gonna Google that. That's what I said, didn't I? I'm gonna Google that and make sure it's right, and if it is, I'll keep this part in. If it's not, I'm cutting it. To celebrate Cinco de Mayo, we are cooking in quarantine. Mom has come up with a couple Mexican dishes. We have beef tacos and chicken tacos, and then we have two, what would it be, like sauces or something?
Two sides. One is homemade guacamole, other homemade salsa or pico.
And so we're gonna split this between three of us. Lyle's over here. I'm gonna get him anyway. Lyle's gonna be in charge of the meat. I'm gonna be in charge of the salsa dish, and Mom's gonna be in charge of the guac and the shells for the taco. So I'm gonna take you guys around and explain how each dish is made, and I'll show you the final product. This is what we're working with the salsa.
Oh, I was coming this one.
1 green pepper, seeded and cleaned, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, chives from garden, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, cilantro, cut and mix in a bowl, chill and serve with tortilla chips, or eat immediately. Salsa is done. Now we're mixing the old salsa that we had with the new one. And that is the final ingredients, homemade salsa. For the fresh guac, we have 3 ripe avocados peeled and, what does that say, pitted? 3 ripe avocados peeled and pitted, 1 jalapeno, stem and seeds removed, minced, optional, 1/2 cup of red onion, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1/4 cilantro leaves, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. This is what we're working with.
That's funny.
For the guac.
Weeks ago.
for beef and chicken tacos. Lyle's got the beef going right here.
Chicken's almost done.
Chicken's almost done.
Guac is good.
Ooh, trying the guac right now, Mom's guac. Oh my god! That is delicious. What would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Which one? Both?
Both.
I wasn't gonna freeze mine, but you guys want another frozen one for cherry margarita?
My sauce was great.
We don't need a restaurant.
If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Mom, thumbs up. Thank you. Always hit that subscribe button and comment down below your favorite Mexican dish, I guess. I just came up with that at the top of my head.
Yep. Or something fun you like to do on Cinco De Mayo.
Tune in next week for a new video because I'm back on track now. Finished school, graduated with my BA in criminal justice and psychology.
And don't forget a margarita.
Don't forget the margaritas. And always remember, take it one day